Alright guys, I am out here with the Bebop, the original, okay? What I'm going to do is test this Bonacell Aftermarket battery. Now, I've heard horror stories about these batteries from other people, but hell, I just want to try one myself. One thing I did notice about them, now I don't know if it has something to do with the patent design the Parrot has on it, but it doesn't fit real good. Okay, that's one thing I did notice about it. It doesn't fit in the, it doesn't fit on the body real crisp. And I know that Dan tried this, and I think he had a bad opinion of it. It doesn't really fit flush. If you can see right here, it doesn't fit flush on there like the stock battery does for the Parrot. So it doesn't go all the way into the body, so we'll see. I'm a little bit leery, okay? But we're going to test it out. This is the first time I'm ever flying with it, but I'm going to make this band as tight as hell. I made it so tight I almost ripped the drone in half. Whew, man, that thing. Wow, that's really shaky. Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh well. You know the old saying, right? Shit happens. Okay, got to make sure the video's a minute long before I swear. Okay, I guess we can just go and do it. See, the battery's down to 77% already. Now that's not good. So I don't know about all that. The thing about these aftermarket batteries, you never know what's going to happen, man. You never know. Look how it's acting. Look at it. Wow. I got a green in the GPS. There is not that much wind. I mean, the way that thing was bouncing around, you'd think that some wind machine was blowing on it. Okay. There's some kind of warning going off over there somewhere. Okay, well, there's 53% of the battery left. So this thing is not doing too bad. Okay, I still have 50% battery. I don't know what the flight time is so far, but you know, we'll see, I guess, here. He was flying a little erratically, I can tell you that. But it was in the sport mode, so I mean, it does bop around a little bit more in the sport mode than it does in the normal modes. So, you know. Let me find that knob. I'm looking for that knob. I'm going the wrong way. Okay, so I got 41% of battery left. So I'm just trying to ride out the battery, that's all. It turns so slow in the film mode. But you know, the Bebop has all these different settings in there. You can really tune the flight performance of these things bigly. Okay, so we're at 25%. Okay, so let's bring it on back. So hey, we got a pretty decent flight time out of this aftermarket turd battery. Okay. I'm not going to complain about it. It doesn't fit in there well, though. I will give it that. It fits like crap. Okay. Let me shut off the GoPro and move it out of the way. This thing's $400. Okay. That costs more than the quadcopter. Okay. I guess the party's breaking up. I wish I would have brought my Xeno. Okay, let me cut the battery. I love the landing on these things. It's absolutely classical. All right, guys, there you go. The Bebop with the I can't even remember the name, Bonacell or something like that, aftermarket battery. Bonacell, yeah. Hey man, it performed well, I thought. I thought I got about 10 minutes out of there. That's what it seemed like. I mean, I could be wrong. That's what it seemed like to me, so we'll see, right? Alright guys, that's it for me for today. I gotta go take some medicine and try to get well. Ugh. All right, guys, have a nice day.